Hi, this is Jeff Sindelar. This is the Venom Night Ranger II.